To publish a website on Squarespace, start by searching for Squarespace in a web browser. Then click on the Website Builder. Create a website in minutes option. From there, click Get Started and select a topic, or browse through templates to choose one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen a template, you can begin designing your website. First, create an account by agreeing to the terms of service and inserting your personal information, including your name, email, password, and other details. After setting up your account, you'll be able to view your website in both desktop and mobile views, access site styles, and preview your design. You'll also notice that you have a trial period. To publish your website, go to your account dashboard. Click on the three dots, select Settings, and then click on Sites Availability, where you can upgrade to publish your website. With these steps, you can easily publish your website on Squarespace.